how to buy Ethereum on Metamask wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy Ethereum on Metamask wallet. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, you have to go and log in into your Metamask wallet account. When you're logged into your Metamask account, then it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So when you log into your Metamask account, this is how it's going to look like. So over here, you need to make sure that you've already selected your network name. So for the network, you need to go ahead and select it Ethereum network. So right on top, you need to go ahead and select Ethereum network. And when you're actually done with that, click on buy Ethereum. And as you have done that, you need to go ahead and start with the buying procedure. So in order to buy Ethereum on Metamask, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and enter the exact amount of asset that you wish to buy, select the payment method or provide in all of the payment method, review the terms and conditions. And with that, you will have successfully bought Ethereum on Metamask. So that's basically how you can buy Ethereum on Metamask wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.